Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Omni Card. First, you'll want to make sure you have your physical card in hand, along with any accompanying documentation. These materials often contain crucial details for activation. Next, prepare for the activation process by ensuring you have a reliable internet connection or access to a phone. This will be essential for completing the necessary steps, which typically take only a few minutes to finish. For online activation, navigate to the specific website provided by your card issuer. This URL is usually printed on a sticker or in the welcome packet. You will then be prompted to input your 16-digit card number and other personal verification information. Establish a unique 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, and accept the user agreement to complete the process. If you prefer phone activation, locate the toll-free number printed on the back of your Omni Card or in the accompanying literature. An automated system will guide you through the steps, asking for your card number and other identifying information. Be prepared to enter these details using your phone's keypad. Should you face any difficulties, the system will typically offer an option to connect you with a live customer service representative for assistance. Once your Omni Card is successfully activated, the very first thing you should do is sign the signature panel on the back of the card. This helps protect against unauthorized use. Remember to keep your 4-digit PIN a secret and never write it down or share it with others. With these steps complete, your Omni Card is fully prepared for use, allowing you to make secure purchases and manage your finances effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.